Today we're going to do a tour of room 237 of the Holiday Inn Express and Suites. This is a full king suite. Right inside we do have the bathroom door. Inside we have the mini bar. Now currently they're going to be fixing this one here, so we're not going to be using this sink. But it does have a full refrigerator inside. It does have a built-in microwave. Hi! It has storage over these guys here, and then it has an ice bucket. It has cups, a Keurig, which Mama likes. We have coffee cups, coffee creamer. Inside of the closet, we have a full ironing board, 5 hangers. We have our extra bedding here. We do have a built-in safe into the floor. And we have a full body mirror with a table that comes out for the queen sofa sleeper, coffee table, and a big giant lamp. Wow, that looks like you're going to get your hair done there. We do have an AC here, right there. And then we have a table with chairs. We have a lamp. And then we have one of these things here. I love these little dressers where you can go ahead and put your bags down. So you can lay your bags down and get them done. We do have a TV here with a desk. Now, the nice thing is here on the desk, we do have 2 power plugs, 2 USB chargers. We also have a lamp and a fancy designer mirror there. And on the lamp, it does have 2 USB chargers. We have the AC on the wall and a window to the courtyard here. On the bed, this is a king size. Oh wow, this one's actually pretty soft. It does have the 4 pillows. The pillow is a soft and a firm. Mama's gonna like that. We do have some nice lamps that you can turn off on either side of the bedstand with a phone. And on the other side, we have an alarm clock with a 2 plugs and 2 USB chargers, a pencil, and a pad. Inside the bathroom, it has a walk-in shower with nice glass here. They do have a handlebar, and they have the Dove here in the shower, the Dove body wash, Dove shampoo, and some conditioner. They have a walk-in. This one here is about 6 foot, so it's going to wash most of me, but not all of me. And I do really enjoy these here where they have the lipped drain so that it doesn't overflow when you're in the walk-in shower. It has a full elongated toilet, which is good for the big heinies. A nice vanity here with a lighted mirror around. It also has some hand wash and body lotion from Dove. Ooh, Mama is gonna like that. Some extra washcloths, vanity sink. We got toilet paper rolls here, plus a brand new roll, and some washcloths. Now, looks like we might have 2 full-size towels, one on the floor, so we're gonna have to get some more towels in here. And it also has a little hook on the back of the door so that you can hang your clothes. And it has 2 plugs to plug your stuff in here in the bathroom. All right, for the channels, it does have a whole host of channels and a little remote here so that you can go ahead and watch TV and get your work done. Now look at this chair. This looks like a nice 70s chair. Looks pretty soft, and it looks like it hugs your hiney. All right, now this is the office for the next 7 days. When you are staying for quite a few days, like we are, they do have some nice pull-out drawers where you can go ahead and sort your clothes so you can have your socks and all that kind of stuff down there. Easier to get to, and then you don't have to jumble up your giant suitcase. They also have a nice little trash can there on the side. ready to relax. All right, on each floor they do have a guest laundry that is open 8 a.m. to 10 p.m. They are wash laundries, $150 on the quarters, pretty big size. They got dryers, washers, regular washer, front load washer, and you can get soap, bleach, and softeners. These are $1.25 a piece. They got Bounce for 2 loads and Tide. And they also have hand sanitizer, looks like. All right, here in this hotel, they do have 3 floors. They got the lobby floor, 2nd floor, and 3rd floor. All right, so we have the workout center here. It has a treadmill, elliptical, it has a bike, and it has some free weights with some exercise balls. The fitness center is open 24 hours, and children under 16 of age must have an adult. Do you have an adult? All right, the pool is 8 a.m. to 11 p.m. Does have an access with the key. Let's see what's inside. All right, so we are in the pool and jacuzzi area. Are you ready to swim? Yes, it's right next to the workout center, and this is actually different. I've never seen this before. We got the pool. It's indoor pool, but it's got an open side. So you walk in here and it's a little bit chilly, but as we felt last night, the pool is heated, and of course, the jacuzzi is heated. All right, so they actually have 2 towel stations. They have a towels and towel drops. They have one here, they have one there. They also have a handicap lift, and they have all the stuff to save people and clean the pool while you're here. They've got a seating area. They've got lots and lots of chairs so that you don't feel awkward coming here with your family. And the pool looks pretty clean. Do you approve? They have 2 different kind of towels here. They have this color here, and then they have a dark blue, and you see the difference. One is a kid's towel, one is an adult's towel. So they have the main entrance here for the pool, and then they have a secondary exit that goes back into the hotel. And they have a trash can here as well. Switch for the jacuzzi is on the wall with the emergency shutoff. It's right here below it. It's got a 15-minute timer. Oh yeah, this is what we came for. What I like here is it's got 2-sided rails here so that you can get in there nice and safe. So inside the jacuzzi, there are a couple of steps, and if you want to be fully submerged to your head, you have the first step, the second step, the third step. You can sit on the 3rd step and it'll go all the way up to your chin. If not, you will have your top chest exposed as you sit on the regular bench. Pool exit has an emergency exit to the back, has access to the stairs. Come on, let's go. And it has the staff area only where they make the clothes. Bathroom right next to the pool. It's got the paper towels, got the nice sink area with the wash, nice full body mirror, urinal, baby changing station, toilet paper everywhere, and a nice elongated toilet for people with the big heinies. Toilet seat covers and a trash can. Front door, breakfast, snacks. They also have cribs and rollaways for an additional charge. Back, 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 back.